Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. And I'm super excited about today's video because it is another getting things done video. So right now I just got home from dropping off Ava at preschool. I barely got any sleep last night, so we're gonna make the most out of this day and try and get as much stuff that I need to get done. I definitely have a to-do list on things that I need to do. Bear with me. I did stop at Starbucks and pick up a little like drink. I did get a pumpkin cream brew or whatever, those new brew drinks, but I actually got it with non-fat milk. I asked them for a dairy-free option, so like almond milk or something else, and she offered me a non-fat, or she gave me a non-fat milk, and so that kind of defeat the purpose, but that's okay. Anyway, I hope you guys are all doing amazing. I've been reading all of your comments. I'm still kind of getting back to them. By this time I would have already been done with them. Here's Remy. I'm just giving him some lovin's. Am I giving you some lovin's? Guys, if you're new, hit the subscribe button. If you enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up. It always helps me out. And we're just gonna go and start cleaning. All right, you guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and dance my way into this mess and start emptying out the dishwasher. I do wanna thank you guys all for your comments and feedback about the music and voiceover of my cleaning videos. It really helped me out. I'm probably just gonna go ahead and do the same thing. It looks like a lot of you guys like the majority of talking with a little bit of music, so I wanna do whatever motivates you guys and at the same time kind of just share what I do here in my home.
They're feeding the fears and the doubts. But we go and we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game and we ride on the flames till the morning light. Baby, cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the...
I did want to let you guys know, since a lot of you guys have asked me about my playlist and music that I listen to while I clean. So I usually listen to Spotify, but I went ahead and like saved those songs that I listened to and then found them on YouTube. So then I can just kind of have like a public cleaning music playlist right there on YouTube that you guys can look at. So I will have that finished very soon because I'm still adding some of my favorite songs that I like to clean to in there.
We're from a different time, yeah, we're of a different breed. Cause what we got is timeless, we supersede. And we hold in the key, yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling just like we see. Down, break all the rules, let them run and hide. Baby, cause we're dynamite, gonna let the world know. Gonna let the world know.
So if you've been a part of my channel for a while, you know I really like to dry my sink after I clean it, and I typically just clean it with soap during the day because I know I'm going to be using it all through the day, and then I like to wipe it down and dry it. It just makes it really shiny and presentable for the rest of the day.
Getting caught in the maze, there's a minute they never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we go and we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game and we ride on the flames till the morning light. Baby, cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules.
So right here is my little coffee station. I'm really excited for Christmas because during Christmas time I love to decorate like a little cocoa station. I made a really cute one last year, like this area last year. It was so cute. I was so proud of it. I will be decorating it again this year.
We're from a different time, yeah, we're of a different breed. Cause 'cause what we got is timeless, we supersede. And we hold in the key, yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling just like we please. Ooh, getting caught in the mist is so many that never get out of. We're feeding the fears and the doubt.
So right here, I'm going to go ahead and use my Acorn Spice by Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day. I really enjoy this scent for fall. It really makes the house smell super pretty, and it does a great job cleaning.
Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know.
So right here, I'm going to go ahead and clean my chandelier. I'm just using the Mrs. Meyer's spray just to kind of dust it off and just wipe all of that dust.
Pick up the dice, give it a roll. You never really know which way to go. Feel it inside, feel the spark, lift you.
Let me know if you guys have a dog and he or she follows you around like this. Remy just loves watching me clean. It's so cute. He literally follows me all around the house, but they're just so fun having your little companion with you all the time.
But I've come so far, but it just got me high till I broke.
When my kitchen table is clean like this, it feels so good. It just looks simple and clean and just sets the tone of the kitchen.
Heart doesn't sink like a stone when you're naked and broken with nowhere to go. Does somebody know? Does somebody know of a place where the green isn't covered by snow? Every time that your eyes speak, it's time to let go. Does somebody know?
All right, so we're officially done with cleaning for now. Who knows what we'll have to do later. I do have to put these clothes away. I folded them yesterday and I didn't put it away. That's just life. So anyway, I'm on the Walgreens website because I am gonna order pictures for the picture frames that I bought for our decor in our room. So I did show you guys in my previous video how we're gonna be putting these 3 picture frames above our bed, and I got them from Ross and they're super cute. Let me show you what they look like. This is it right here. Super pretty, super cute, matches our wood because the top of our furniture in there, like it's white distressed wood, but then there's a darker wood color and it's close to this. And these were $12.99, and these are 16 by 20, but they're 11 by 14 with the white part, which we will keep. And we're really excited. My hubby's like really excited. I was trying to find decor to put above our bed. I've been working on this for weeks. I've gone to multiple stores. I have sent him tons of photos of different pieces of decor from these different stores that we can decorate above our bed with. No. He doesn't want words. He says I have too many words around the house that say blessed and love and home and family. So he doesn't want no more words. And then there's like some other ideas I showed him and he was like, no, no, no. So when I showed him this idea, he was super excited, and he's excited because we're gonna be putting our 3 wedding pictures into the frames. So he's really happy about it. He actually edited the pictures himself. So I will show you how they look, like which 3 wedding pictures we're choosing. I will show you guys. Okay, so far this is the first photo. It did say it might be a little bit grainy, but I'm gonna give it a shot anyway. Okay, and then here is the next photo. I don't really like my smile in this photo. I look kind of uncomfortable, but I know I was barefoot and I was waiting to get back to the party, but our photographer wanted to take as many pictures as possible, so we did it for like an hour. So yeah, it's really cute though. I love it. I mean, like, what's with that smile? Come on now. And this is the last photo. So they look beautiful. So you guys know when I do make my online purchases, I always use privacy.com. And for those of you that don't know, Privacy is actually a virtual debit card that I will create on their website and use in the browser when I'm ordering something. So that way I can use a temporary card that can be deleted right after I use it. You can make it a one-time use if you want. And also it's not your direct debit card or your direct credit card with all of your information. So it's really awesome because it does secure your information from being leaked through any other website, and you don't have everything, like all your debit card information just on all these different websites, because you never know what can happen. There's been a lot of different like breaches through different companies, and this way it's just a lot more secure. Since I have the plugin on my browser already, all I have to do is go to whatever website, and as I cash out, I just hit the little icon, and then that brings up whatever virtual card I created for whatever website I'm on. Anyway, if you guys are interested in checking out Privacy, they're actually giving you guys a $5 credit that you can use when you make purchases through a virtual card on their website. So make sure you guys utilize that. You'll get a free $5 you can use anywhere, and you can kind of check out their services. It's completely free to use, so you're not losing out on anything, and you get to protect and secure your identity and your debit and credit card information. So I will have their link down below for you guys to check them out. All right, you guys, so I just got done getting my lashes done. They are filled, and I'm at Walgreens because I just went ahead and got the pictures. So far they look good, but I just kind of peeped in. Here it is. I don't know if I told you guys, but one of them, they did say like the quality was gonna be like lower quality, but I talked to Shanam and we just went ahead to decide to print it off anyway and see how it looks like in the frames by itself. So that one is this. So it doesn't look too bad from far away. And then the next one, I know I already showed you guys on the computer. So then that's the next one of us. They look good. I'm really excited to put them in the picture frames and get them on the walls.
Hi.
How was school?
Good.
Do you want to tell them about your day?
I'm going to show them this.
Let's see. Avery.
My friend goes to school every day.
Yeah, that's why you got invited. Hey, Rim. Hey, Rim. All right, so we just got home from the doctor's, and we went ahead, we already grabbed something to eat out there just because it was quick and the kids wanted to eat. So I'm not gonna be making dinner tonight. I'm so sorry. I love including like dinner or cook with me into the videos. We're gonna go upstairs because I'm gonna go ahead and hang up these pictures and show you guys how it looks. So, yay.
Somebody, somebody, somebody knows. Be what you are, like what you feel. Don't let the colors fade when it's hard to deal. So pick up the dice, give it a roll. Get yourself up when you're left out alone. We think we know it all. We stand 10 feet small, with our head under ground. I think I've seen.
So I almost forgot to close out the vlog. I'm actually getting Ava ready for bed because it's that time of night and I'm getting ready for bed. I'm gonna go ahead and look for the level bar when she goes to sleep so I can work on this some more, because I went ahead and put these two up and it's just not even. It's not balanced, and I'm doing it by myself, and I wasn't even, I was doing it like freehand without even getting any like anybody's eyes, a level bar or anything. But I need to find the level bar and I need to get this girl to bed. So I will do that and get that last one up. And then show you guys what it looks like. But I want to go ahead and close out the bar. I want to go ahead and close out the vlog. I will just add like a little photo here or a video here so you guys can see. But anyway, I appreciate you guys hanging out with me and kind of getting things done with me today. I always love that. Comment down below and say hi. I love to hear from you guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, who's that little one? If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. That always helps out my channel. Subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you. I will see all of you guys in my next video. And also, here is the comment of the day. And I love you, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.